What's up everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this Hyundai Sonata remote key fob. This Hyundai Sonata key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2450, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these batteries if you're in need. The other thing I'm going to be using to change this key fob battery is a flathead screwdriver. So the first thing we want to do is grab our key fob and our screwdriver. And if we look off to the one side, we see this notch right here. So what I'm going to do is put my screwdriver in the notch like that, and then I'm just going to twist the screwdriver. And as I do that, you can see it starts to open the key fob case. And then I'll just kind of carefully work around here, doing the same thing, twisting. And then once it's far enough apart, we can pull it apart with our hands like that. And now we see our battery right here. So I'll take my screwdriver and I'm just going to carefully push the battery out. And you don't want to push down into the circuit board. You just want to make sure you're pushing just on the battery. Get it out of that holder, and then we'll grab our new replacement battery. And you want to make sure that you're installing the new battery with the plus side up. Slide it down into the holder like that. And we can snap the two halves back together. And that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out. And I'd appreciate it. Thank you.